Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this Wi-Fi module. Next, let's unscrew this antenna and then unscrew the other side as well. After unscrewing them or remove the back panel, these two are brackets. Let's take them down first. Remove the screws from the rear panel. In this way, we can open the back panel and then we can see that the Wi-Fi module is here. Then we need to remove the hard drive bracket, which is 2.5 inches, and then remove these 4 screws. Now the hard drive bracket can be taken out. Next, remove the 2 antenna wires from the Wi-Fi module. Just lift them up like this, and then the other one, okay, they're both off. Then unscrew this screw, and we can take out the Wi-Fi module directly. After that, remove the 2 antenna wires at the front as well, and loosen them. After loosening them, just unscrew them by hand. There's also a washer here, remove that as well. Then from the inside, take it out like this and remove it. Now we've taken out the entire antenna wire. Then we take the other one off in the same way. All right, and set them aside. Now the Wi-Fi module has been completely removed. Now we put the machine back together, install the hard drive bracket into the machine, secure it, and then screw these 4 screws back together. Okay, after tightening it, we will use a cable tie to fix it. Now put the back panel back on, and then screw it in place one by one. There are 6 screws on the outside, so don't drive them inside. After installation, we put the bracket back. With that, our machine is fully assembled.